Assalamu alaikum. Sir. Walaikum assalam.
How are you, doc, sir?
Yes. I am fine. And you?
Yeah. I am also good, sir. You have called on me. How can I help you?
Yes. You can help me. I know. You are expert to typewriter by computer. Today, I am doing other official work. If you type few pages, I will be very happy and will help for me.
Okay, sir. I will type few pages.
Thanks you too, Hen. Jassim. Jason.
Yes. Sir.
Today, or have a meeting in office. Many buyer will come in our office. So, all you will be ready for them. Okay.
Okay, sir. But all what ready? Please be clear.
Listen with full mind. Okay, bye. 1 piece tips paper. 1 Pisces. Room air. Fresher spray. 5 liter drinking water. And others goods. As soon as possible, a collection these.ok.go.
Okay, sir.